Hello يا سابع again miss حبايبي. Now let's start doing exercises at your student box. Grammar طبعا past simple regular verbs. Let's start again with the regular verbs. Number 1. What does the photo show? إذن a photo. What do you see in the photo? إذن the photo shows a man on the moon. It is a man on the moon. Where do you think they took it? As we said, on the moon. On the moon. Moon يعني القمر. Read the text quickly and check your answers. History books يعني كتب التاريخ. History books say that man arrived on the moon on 20th July 1969. Three astronauts. Astronauts يعني رواد فضاء. Three astronauts traveled on the spaceship Apollo 11 أو Apollo 2 باليوناني 2. Neil Armstrong, Ed Aldrin and Michelle Collin. إذن these are the three astronauts. هدول هم الانسترومنت الثلاثة. الأستروناتس الثلاثة كمان مرة. Neil Armstrong, Ed Aldrin and Michelle Collins. Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the moon. إذن Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the moon. But Collins didn't leave the Apollo. But did these men travel in space? Some people say that Apollo 11 or Apollo 2 didn't go to the moon. They say someone made a film of Armstrong and Aldrin in a studio. إذن قالوا إنهم ما راحوا على المون. They made a film. وين هذا الفيلم? In a studio. So, why did somebody make the film? Okay. إذن number 2 again. Look at the photo. Did Apollo 2 go to the moon or was it a fraud? يعني زي خيال. What do you think? It is, or this question is for you. What do you think? Did the man or the three astronauts arrived at the moon? What do you think? Some people or some students will say yes. Some students will say no. What do you think? إذن, as I said, it is for you. Number 3. Look at the rule and the sentence. Find 2 more examples of the past simple affirmative in the text. We use the past simple to talk about an event that finished in the past. إذن نستخدم الزمن الماضي للحديث عن حدث أو عمل انتهى بالماضي. إذن something finished in the past يعني إيش عملته في الماضي وانتهى. Man arrived on the moon on 20th July 1969. بهذا التاريخ وصل الإنسان. إذن تاريخ ماضي قديم جدا. انتهى وصول الإنسان كان بالزمن الماضي. What do you think? Let's find another 2 examples in the past sentence. The first line. احنا هنا قلنا man arrived. This is the first sentence. 3 astronauts traveled. 3 astronauts traveled. إذن this is the first sentence. هيها إذن 3 astronauts traveled on the space Apollo 2. This is the first sentence. Another sentence بالaffirmative بالإثبات. إذن كمان هنا Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the moon. إذن walked on the moon. إذن traveled and walked. These are sentences about the affirmative بالإثبات. Then number 4. Look at the rules, then look at the text on page 38. Find a past simple affirmative examples of each type of verb from A to D. The text on 38, it is your text, this one, okay? You will find more examples about these verbs. Number A. To form the past simple of most regular verbs, we add ed, like start, started. Start, started. Then you will look at the text and find more verbs. You will search for another verbs from the text that we add only some verbs. I will give you some of them, like show, showed, show, showed, loved, loved, love, loved. I add only ed. Walked, walk, walked. إذن showed, loved, walked. Showed, loved, walked. Give me another verbs. أعطوني كمان أفعال. Number B. Verbs ending in E, we add ed only. Verbs ending in E, we add d only. Like love, love, loved, love, loved. Move, 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 moved, move, moved. There is another verb. What is it? There is another verb in the text that end in E, we put only D. يا ترى what is it? Number C. Verbs ending in consonant plus Y. Consonant, هاي الكونسونانت plus Y. We remove the Y, نحرك الY and into طبعا I and add IED. إذن a consonant حرف ساكن plus Y, we remove the Y and add IED, like study, studied. Study, studied. There is one verb, only one verb from the text. What is it? إذن here you have another verb and here you have كمان one verb. Now number D. Verbs ending in one vowel and one consonant إذن a consonant قبليها vowel. We double the consonant، نعمل الحرف الأخير الكونسونانت double and add ed like stop, stopped, stop, stopped, stop, stopped. There's another verb. We double the consonant in the text. What is it? Then here there is one verb. Here there is one verb. Here there is another verb like moved. وطبعا هون كمان there are other verbs. Okay? Write them for me and send them on the WhatsApp. Exercise number 5. Complete the sentences with the past simple. Give me the past simple affirmative of the past in brackets. Give me the past simple affirmative. إثبات في حالة الإثبات. Okay? Last year, I very hard for my exams. The verb work. What's the past tense of work? Worked. 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 Number 2. Yesterday we 4 hours walked. Walked. Okay? يا ترى number 3. She because she was late. The verb hurry. I lost my passport when my bag. The verb drop. Last night my favorite film. The verb watch. He a lot for his new play. Rehearse. Change them into past simple in affirmative. Okay? Now طبعا الباست simple irregular verb for other period. خلينا نحطه للحصة الجاي. Now you must learn these verbs يا miss and know what are the meaning for each verb and how we change it into the past simple. Okay? Now I will leave you. Thank you. Have a good holiday. Goodbye.